Girls and guys, welcome to History of Bits. In this video or in this semi series, we are going to see about how to style Bokeh. Uh, Bokeh is an interactive library with all of your customization. So, styling will give you an interactive. Yeah, it's true. When you are going for an interactive development, you need to style your graph or style your app, anything. If you want something to be an interactive, it must be want to be a stylish. So Bokeh support us those styling things. We can customize anything, like in this previous video we have seen that this was is not nice. No, we can customize everything. So where this labels or axis want to start, where to end, what is the limit, and what's the color of line we need for our figure, not in our part, for our figure we can change anything. So in this video we are going to see about how to change our figure border and figure color. Okay, let's move on to the video. So if you have not subscribed my channel, go do subscribe and click the bell icon. Okay, let's import something. So import, what to import? Sorry, from import. Okay, not import, from bokeh.io import our, as usual, our output notebook file, and we need to save it. Okay, and from again bokeh dot, not bokeh, it's bokeh dot, what we need to import? We need to import plotting. So import figure. Okay, let's call our function called output notebook, and our sample data x equal to 3 4 5 and y equal to 5 6 7. Okay, and now let's customize our figure. So figure, our plot height, sorry, plot height equal to 400, plot width equal to 400, and our title is customizing customizing. Okay, now let's plot p dot line, and our x equal to x and our y equal to y. Okay, let us show our plot, not do it slow. So okay, not comma. Okay, something unexpected. Plot height, outer width. Okay, HEIGHT. Okay, cool. Okay, a lot of problem today. Okay, now let's start customizing. P dot, what we need to customize? Our outline. What in outline? Outline line color. How much? What color we need? We need green. Okay, let's enter. See, this is green. Let me increase the width. P dot outline line width equal to 5. Now we can see. Okay, outline width, yeah, not color, it's outline width. Okay, see, now it's green color. So this is not like interesting, so we can reduce our opacity. Outline line alpha equal to 0.6. now this one is better. We can reduce. Yeah, this one is good, okay. Now this one is slower, but these lines, these black lines for x-axis and y-axis, we can change that too. So now, okay, now let us start changing that things. Okay, now p dot x-axis line color. What color we need something red. Okay, now it's not x-axis line color, it's x-axis dot axis line color. Now it will come. See, now this one is red, and we can customize those things also. P dot x-axis dot axis. This time I will not miss that x. Okay, now line width equal to 5. Let us see. Oh, this red was not good as we expected, so let me reduce the alpha. So x-axis dot axis line color, line alpha equal to 0.5. it will be good. Yeah, this one looks good, but I can reduce still 0.3. yeah, this one is nice. Okay, now how we can do this for our y-axis? Simple, same. P dot y-axis dot axis line color equal to, we need something called blue, and p dot y-axis dot axis line width equal to we'll put 10. Okay, this one we can change the alpha also. P dot x-axis y-axis dot axis label equal label alpha equal to 0.4. okay, label, sorry, it's line alpha, not label alpha. I was thinking about showing the labels color and customizing the labels, okay, so that I put a label there. Okay, now this alpha was reduced. Okay, now let me change the color of these 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, that those values in x-axis. So p dot, we can change color like this also. So let me put as p dot axis dot axis line color to yellow. Now see, both the lines are changed to yellow. Let me comment these things. Okay, now let me run this one. Now see, this also yellow, this also yellow. Okay, we can customize things like this also, like for if you want to do things for only x-axis, we can put x-axis there, or we need to do only things for y-axis, we can put y-axis there. Suppose we need to do things for both x-axis and y-axis, so we can just put axis. It's super simple. Okay, now let's customize those axis things. Axis does axis label color equal to red. Okay, sorry, label text color. If you have forgot something, or if you can't remember those things, you can just type similar to those words. It will show you, like axis label text color, axis line color, axis label, etc. Okay, now let us do label text color. Okay, where is that text? I am asking, where is those text? So axis, p dot x axis dot axis label equal to it's a x axis. Yeah, now it's red, it's a x axis. Okay, now label color. So similar attributes like label text color, label end color, or axis label. Oh, good. Axis label. So we want to set label for both x and y axis. We can simply put x dot axis label. So red. Okay guys, these things are enough for this video. In the next video we will see about how to change the background grade, and we will change the color of the 6.5 and those things. Okay, see you guys. Do subscribe and click the bell icon. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye. It's me Sanjay.